Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Minka Aire Wave ceiling fan from August of 2014. This fan is in the natural wood finish. And Minka Aire, this is one of their pretty high-end fans. They do still sell it today, and I think it retails for around $250. But of course, I picked this up on Marketplace, or what I like to call it, Dumpster Place, for not even a portion of that. So, it came 100% complete. It came with the mounting bracket, remote control. Only thing it's really missing is the wall mount for the remote control, but that really doesn't count. I got everything with it pretty much. It's a pretty interesting fan to say the least. I know last year, one of my friends, I stayed at his shore house and he had one of these in silver. Wasn't a bad performing fan. And they're really not bad fans. They're pretty quiet, to say the least. They move a pretty good amount of air, so there's really nothing really to complain about with these. This one has a slight hum to it, but I'm pretty sure it's just because of the mounting bracket I have on it. That's not the original one. But, yeah. So anyway, here is low. When I first got it, I had to pair the remote control to the fan. Kind of strange, but, works. You can probably hear that hum. I think also one of the blades is out of clock. I think the screws aren't totally tightened, but I can fix that eventually. I know Minka Aire makes a version with a light. I think it's called the Light Wave, and it has an integrated light in the middle of it, but this one has the no light, which I tend to like a little bit better. I like the natural look of it, and it's in really good shape too. There's really no scratches on it. The guy I bought it from, of course, he took it down with the blades on, which is really no problem because what he did was he actually had rubber padding in his garage where this thing was sitting, so this thing was very well taken care of throughout its life. It's medium. And it's throwing out a good breeze. I'm feeling some air over here already. No complaints of just a little bit of hum, but I'm pretty sure that can be resolved with some rubber spacers. And here's high. It's gonna wobble just a little bit on high. I'll tell you what, it really gets going. Doesn't go too fast, but it really kicks out a nice breeze. Looks really interesting from the side. It's almost like the blades do stick up. Look at a close up this wood. It's really cool. Very cool finish. There is some grease on the blades I need to clean off, which is really no problem at all. It's really hard to capture the woodwork on this thing. But in person, it's really nice. It's a really cool model by Minka Aire. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.